As people age, one of the biggest concerns is the gradual decline of muscle mass and strength, also known as sarcopenia. This condition can lead to increased frailty, reduced mobility, and a higher risk of falls and fractures. To combat this, nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining muscle integrity. Scientific studies have pinpointed specific foods that seniors must consume to prevent muscle weakness and loss. 1. Protein-rich foods are paramount in preventing muscle deterioration. 1. Among these, lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef provide high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and maintenance. 1. Studies show that seniors require more protein per kilogram of body weight than younger adults to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. 1. The inclusion of adequate protein in daily meals has been linked to enhanced muscle mass retention in the elderly. 2. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been scientifically proven to combat muscle loss. 2. Research indicates that omega-3s can enhance muscle protein synthesis, reduce inflammation, and improve muscle function. 2. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who supplemented with omega-3 fatty acids experienced significant gains in muscle strength. 3. Dairy products like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk provide a dual benefit of high-quality protein and calcium. 3. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone density, reducing the risk of fractures that can further lead to immobility and muscle loss. 3. The presence of casein and whey protein in dairy enhances prolonged muscle protein synthesis, making these foods highly beneficial for seniors. 4. Eggs, often considered a perfect protein source, are packed with essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. 4. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition states that consuming whole eggs leads to a greater increase in muscle protein synthesis than just egg whites. 4. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for muscle and bone health in aging individuals. 5. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are excellent plant-based protein sources. 5. They also contain fiber and essential micronutrients like magnesium and iron, which support overall muscle function. 5. According to a study in the Journal of Gerontology, higher legume intake is associated with better muscle preservation and strength in older adults. 6. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, provide healthy fats, protein, and micronutrients that aid in muscle maintenance. 6. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. 6. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition emphasizes the role of magnesium in preventing age-related muscle loss. 7. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are abundant in nitrates, which improve muscle function and endurance. 7. Research in the Journal of Applied Physiology suggests that dietary nitrates enhance muscle efficiency, particularly in older adults. 7. These greens are also packed with antioxidants, reducing oxidative stress that contributes to muscle degeneration. 8. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide complex carbohydrates necessary for sustained energy levels and muscle recovery. 8. They also contain B vitamins, which play a crucial role in energy metabolism. 8. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition highlights the importance of whole grains in maintaining lean muscle mass in aging individuals. 9. The impact of these muscle-preserving foods varies across different age groups. 9. For younger individuals, these foods help in muscle building and strength gains. 9. In middle-aged adults, they aid in maintaining muscle integrity and preventing premature loss. 9. For seniors, these foods become critical in slowing muscle degradation, maintaining mobility, and preventing falls. 10. Scientific literature confirms that a diet rich in high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential micronutrients can significantly enhance muscle health. 10. However, it is crucial to combine this dietary approach with resistance training exercises to maximize benefits. 10. Research from the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle supports the synergistic effects of diet and exercise in combating sarcopenia. 11. Hydration also plays a crucial role in muscle function. 11. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and impaired muscle contraction. 11. Seniors must ensure adequate fluid intake, especially when consuming a high-protein diet, to support optimal muscle function. An approach to preventing muscle loss in seniors involves incorporating these nutrient-dense foods, engaging in regular resistance training, staying hydrated, and maintaining an active lifestyle. Nutritional interventions combined with physical activity provide the best defense against age-related muscle deterioration. Conclusion: the decline of muscle mass with age is a natural process but can be mitigated through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices. Scientific evidence strongly supports the role of high-protein foods, omega-3 rich fish, dairy, eggs, legumes, nuts, leafy greens, and whole grains in maintaining muscle health. Seniors who consistently consume these foods and stay physically active can significantly reduce the risk of sarcopenia, leading to improved quality of life, mobility, and independence.